Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. I am lachelletrends, and since in today's video I'm coming to you with a wig review / install on this unit you see me wearing. This unit is from Amazon from the company Unice. I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. As well, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So let's jump into this video, sis. So the unit came in this box. Inside of the box was a bag with their logo on it. Inside of the bag, it consisted of a wig cap, an elastic band, a pair of lashes with their logo on it, and they were really cute, by the way, as well as a makeup brush, and then this little thing, which I want to say is maybe a razor. So the unit I have is Unice's 6x4.5 pre-cut lace wear in gold unit. It's glueless water wave wig, 24 inches. It doesn't say what the density is, but I'm guessing 150% density because it wasn't thick and it wasn't thin. This is what the lace looks like. It does say it comes pre-bleached and pre-plucked. I am going to give you a close-up of it because I did end up going in and bleaching the knots, and the baby hairs came like this, y'all. Like, I did not do this at all. This is literally a wig that you can just plop it on and very beginner friendly. Anyways, the construction of the cap, it has two combs on the side as well as a comb at the bottom. It has a breathable cap, excuse me. It comes with an elastic band as well, and then it has grip all along the perimeter of the wig, just to make sure it just has more security. So getting started, I'll be tinting my lace with my lace tinting spray in the shade medium dark brown by the brand Red, and I'm just going to spray that on the lace and then put the wig on. So after I got the wig on and adjusted, I'm going to begin parting it. Y'all already know how I come with these glueless units. I just love to wear a middle part. I think it's just very easy and simple, especially because with it being pre-cut and glueless, the sides kind of come up. Anyways, girl, as you can see, it is kind of over plucked just a little bit. Again, I did not pluck this. The only thing I did was bleach the knots. So now that we are parted, I'm going to clip the hair back, and then I'm going to start trying to find those baby hairs that they had already pre-cut for me. It is going to be a little hard because my middle part was not their middle part. So the baby hairs, I don't know. Just watch. We're going to try to find these baby hairs. So I thought I was going to go in with my mousse and kind of just form my baby hairs first, but then I changed my mind. I decided to put the band on first, and then we were going to go in and just use our wax. So yeah, y'all, now I'm going to start off by using my wax, and I'm just going to put along the front of the wig as well as the parting space, and then I'm going to go in with my hot comb, and this is just to lay everything down flat. Y'all, even though this unit was slightly over plucked, it looks so good and natural. Like, I'm in love already. But anyways, child, now I'm going to take off this little band and we're going to begin melting the unit. And when I say melting, not literally, we're just going to take our mousse and we're going to form the baby hairs first and then kind of clean up the front with the mousse as well to get the flyaways. And again, y'all, I believe this mousse is just like the holy grail to melting the unit into your skin because we're wearing it glueless. So yeah, you'll see after I get the baby hairs and everything, the flyaways and stuff brushed back, I'm gonna put the elastic back on and says we're gonna be melted, okay? Like mousse melted, not glue melted. So now that we have the elastic band on, while we are melting this unit into our skin, I'm gonna start the curl process. I'm using my Cantu curling cream. If I did not already mention, this unit is already washed. This is how my curls just pop the way that they do. Like, this is my method. I wash the hair first. That way I don't have to go in with the water bottle. My curls is already like drying and already saturated in water, if that even makes sense. So I'm literally just putting globs of this Cantu curling cream on, going in with my denim brush. And since when I say these curls are about to be popping, like they are about to be so good. Then to get my curls even more just like popping, I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer and we're going to slightly blow dry the curls. And when I say slightly, I mean slightly. I have my blow dryer on high heat as well as the highest little blow. Did that even make sense? But you get what I'm saying. It's not on the medium blow, it's on the high. Like, anyway, so yeah, I'm just scrunching it up just to form the curls even more. As well, this also works better if you kind of just let it dry just a little bit before you put it on, because my hair is like very wet. But after I blow dry it to my liking, again, leave it damp, and then we're gonna let this air dry a little bit later on. So now we're gonna take off this elastic band, and honey, we are melted. Like, sis, we look so good. Like, anyway, so yeah, now I'm going to go in and better melt this lace into my scalp using my Black Radiance contour palette. And I'm gonna take those powders and just place it all along the lace, as well as place some powder down the part. This is the end result, and sis, honey, when I say we look good, we look so good. Get into it. Now, I'm not going to say it looks like it's coming from my scalp. It does, but it doesn't. You can see the demarcation from the lace in my scalp or whatever, or my forehead. So yeah, I probably will eventually have to glue this down if I wanted to blend more seamless. But besides that, it still is a nice wig. It still looks very good. I love that it came pre-plucked, pre-cut. I'm not going to say pre-bleached because I did have to still go in and bleach the knots. But basically, they did everything for you down to cutting the baby hairs. Like, sis, you cannot complain. This is literally so beginner friendly. You can throw this unit onto your head, especially if you have difficulties plucking and cutting the your edges or whatever. Sis, get this unit. It looks good. Minimal shedding. Again, it's a curly unit, so do expect it to shed a little bit, but it wasn't anything drastic. I'll have this link, I'll have it linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video, sis. Bye.